Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the text-to-speech feature in VideoExpress 2.0, which is a generative AI video creation app. So I'm logged into my VideoExpress account, and this is the video editor. In a previous tutorial, I created this short kid story for which I needed a voiceover narration. So let me show you how. So as you can see, I already have this project open here. But you don't need to specifically have a project open. You can start by clicking Import Media in the right side toolbar. And from this pop-up panel, choose Text-to-Speech. It'll bring you to this section. You can create voiceovers in different languages using this drop-down. I'll leave it to the default English. And then using this drop-down, you can choose different male and female text-to-speech voices. I'll scroll down and I'll choose this one. You can use this play button to preview the voice. You can use these sliders to control the speed and the pitch. And in this box, you enter your voice script and then click on Import Speech. It will then start generating the text-to-speech voiceover based on the script, and typically it takes a few seconds. And once completed, you can use this play button to preview the voiceover. And if you're not happy with it, you can just edit the script and change the voice if you want to, and then just redo it. To find the generated voiceover, click on the media library in the right side toolbar, and then go to the My AI Audio folder. And here are all of the voiceovers that I generated. Now, to add the voiceover to the video, you can click this button to add an additional track to the timeline, and then just drag and drop the audio to the track in the timeline below, like so. You can then adjust the audio and add more scenes if the voiceover audio is a little longer. In this case, I was able to adjust mine, as you can see here. You can also right-click on a particular audio file that you generated and then download the MP3 file to your computer. You can watch this short video clip to see how the text-to-speech narration came out.
In a library stitched from silence and shadow, an old book named Turner sat untouched, forgotten beneath newer volumes and glowing screens. Turner waited not for glory, but for a reader who still believed in wonder. Ellie wasn't searching for magic, only a quiet place to sit, but her fingers found Turner, tucked away like a secret. She opened the cover, and the air seemed to hum. The stories inside stirred for the first time in years. With each page Ellie turned, the library transformed. She wasn't just reading the book, she was becoming its hero. The world hadn't stopped loving stories, only forgotten where to find them. Turner had never been irrelevant, he had only been waiting. Thanks to Ellie, the pages turn once more.
If you'd like to get VideoExpress for a one-time discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.